Good morning. My name is Asif Khan. I'm from Allahabad city. My age is 34. Recently, I just diagnosed the AVN of femoral head of my hip joint and contact multiple doctors, and every doctor suggests me for the total hip replacement. I'm in stage 2. Then I came to know about the Sahaj therapy, and then I visited this Sahaj hospital in Indore for the procedure. I have done my SVF therapy on 6th March. Now it has been more than 1 month and I'm getting a very much improvement on my limping and a pain also. So I recommend to the patient who have having a AVN comes to the Sahaj hospital and adopt this SVF therapy.